Top Gun, Maverick star Glen Power has picked a stunning wingman. The actor, who plays Rooster in the new film, is dating model Gigi Paris. 3. Swimwear model Gigi Paris stuns in a colorful bikiniCredit, Venus. 3. Gigi Paris was Glen Power's date to the Top Gun, Maverick premiere in CaliforniaCredit, Splash. Gigi is a swimwear model and wore a colorful, striped bikini for fashion brand Venus. She was Glen's date to the Maverick premiere in California and wowed in a flowing silver dress. The new film, which sees Tom Cruise reprise his role as Maverick, is out in cinemas on May 25th. 3. Gigi wowed in a flowing silver dress. Credit, Alani.